Hey guys, so today I'm coming at you guys with a video about a question about my new mic. So for my new mic, I got the AK-70 condenser mic, and when I bought it, I just connected it straight to my computer because the 7.1 sound channel card, whatever it's called, correct me if I'm wrong, the card doesn't help. It only makes it worse with a louder white noise, and as you can hear it right now, there's a slight buzzing white noise in the background, and I'm just asking you guys for a quick fix. I heard about getting a phantom power supply, and I'm not sure if getting a phantom power supply would help with canceling out the white noise. Um, if it does, please do comment down below, cause this is my new mic. I got it yesterday. I mean, I got it today, like 20 minutes ago, as of recording this video. And I was just requesting a little bit of the community's help on what I should do, like maybe get a phantom power supply, because I know there's really cheap ones down at the freaking Amazon, down at the Amazon. So if I should get a phantom power supply, or if it will fix the problem, or if I have to fix the problem through Windows Sound or whatever, please do not hesitate to comment, because I really want to get this mic sound fixed and be able to use it like playing Minecraft as I am doing it right now, and just Discord calling my friends. As you guys know, that's what's up. Playing Minecraft, that's my opinion, but you already know Minecraft is a pretty fun game to me. And if you guys like playing video games too, please help me out. Please help me find a solution to this, because this solution will help me out a lot. And I don't know what this guy's trying to do. Oh, shoot. I didn't get him. But it's okay, I got his bed, so he probably won't go back to his base. But yeah, thank you guys for listening. And if you guys have any solutions, please do not hesitate to comment them down below. Thank you very much. And I'll see you guys in the next one.